Hey everybody, so I've been getting a lot of you asking about where I get my basswood from for carving. And I primarily get my basswood from two different sources. The stuff that I use for my tutorial videos and just regular carving in general, especially like my 1x1 by 4 inch pieces of air dried basswood, I get from a guy on eBay. I'll have the link in the description below exactly where I get it from, but he has air dried basswood. It's cut relatively evenly. It's not perfect all the time. Sometimes the dimensions are a little bit smaller or bigger, but they cut beautifully, and I really enjoy carving them. This is the same for my bigger blocks that I use for my own stuff. You probably don't see much of this. I plan on getting some of them in the video. Same with the bigger ones. This one I think is just regular basswood. I got some of that for a different thing. I'm going to be starting some, relief carving stuff here. I've been wanting to get more into that lately. And just so you know, this is Tupelo and this is bark, cottonwood bark, I think. Yeah, I think this is cottonwood bark. I've been wanting to play around with those. But the other basswood that I get, if I want something a little bit bigger that I just want to play around with, this is all I have left of it, but I get some from Treeline USA. It's their practice carving blocks. It's just a little bit bigger than your basswood stuff, or the one that I get from eBay. This comes in, I think, like a 1 foot length, so it's 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch by 12 inches. And I just usually cut it down to length. It cuts beautifully. If you want something a little bit, I guess, more widely available from a reputable company itself, then yeah, go ahead and get the stuff from Treeline USA. Great stuff. Otherwise, I like to get from eBay from other people. And this might be limited to your region. This is primarily from the United States. You might have some other people doing the same thing. And I buy mine in bulk. Like this is 110 pieces. But yeah, that's where I get my wood. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.